warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello honorable judges, I'm Elifa Bilian Revita and next to me is my friend.
My name is Karima Zuleka Putri. We are senior high school students from
SMA Karisma Bangsa.
In this opportunity, we would like to present our project with the title of Development of Environmentally Friendly Heat and UV Isolator from Pineapple Peel Waste for the Thermal Insulation Application in Thermal Shield and Building Design.
As we know, Indonesia, located on the equator, receives sunlight every year, making it ideal for agriculture. The country generates a large amount of pineapple. If not managed properly, this waste can cause pollution or harm the ecosystem. Pineapple peel waste as insulation materials offer a sustainable solution. In the first image, we see that Indonesia is one of the biggest pineapple producing countries in the world. The map highlights Indonesia in dark blue, showing that it produces a lot of pineapples. The number next to it backs this up with impressive production figures, demonstrating Indonesia's strong potentials in the tropical fruit market.
Therefore, we are very interested in innovating to develop an eco-friendly insulation materials from pineapple peels, which can be used to heat and UV protection application in building design as well as thermal protection.
This research aims to prove that the skin from pineapple waste is environmentally friendly and effective material, and to find out how much the effectiveness of pineapple skin can be used as sustainable heat insulation material. So, to make this research successful, 3 experiments were carried out in this research to test the effectiveness of pineapple peel as heat resistant. So, we went through several stages, namely making and testing prototypes into conditions when it was still wet and conditions when it was dry. After the pineapple skin was peeled, we arranged in a rubber frame, then we conduct tests using a fire
that
for
the outside
15
of the skin
minutes.
turned black, but the inside didn't change at all. Then we continue with the test of the effectiveness of the thermal shield in holding in the heat temperature. After 30 minutes, it showed that the area using the thermal shield had increased by only 5 degrees Celsius.
When compared to areas without a thermal shield, the temperature increased by 17 degrees Celsius. We can see that the thermal shield made from the pineapple skin can really withstand heat. Here are the data that we provide from the test we do. The experiment results show the heat resistance of pineapple peel as a thermal shield. In the first table, fresh pineapple peels also show effectiveness. Without shielding, the temperature rises from 20 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius, 17 degrees Celsius increase, while with fresh peels, it remains at 25 degrees Celsius, showing only 5 degrees Celsius increases.
In the second table, the temperature without the thermal shield rises from 20 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius, an 18 degrees Celsius increase. With dry pineapple peels, the temperature only rises 25 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius increase, indicating significant heat transfer reduction.
So from that, both dry and fresh pineapple peels effectively shield against heat, with dry peels offering slightly better insulation.
From the test, we can see that the efficiency of pineapple peels in
After
retaining
that,
heat
we continue
is 32%.
to dry the prototype for 7 days. Then we open it at 200 degrees Celsius, so the water content decreases. After drying, we test with the fire for 15 minutes. We got the same result again. The outside turned black, but the inside didn't change at all.
Next, we did the last test, which was to determine the effectiveness of the thermal shield in retaining heat. We did the test for up to 30 minutes. The area protected by the thermal shield increased by only 5 degrees Celsius, compared to without the thermal shield increased by 18 degrees Celsius.
We can conclude that the testing in sunlight with fire test produced the same result, where both do not experience visual change.
After that, testing on the miniature shows that the lower room, which is limited by the sealing of the thermal shield materials from pineapple skin, shows an efficiency of 11 degrees Celsius in reducing the room temperature in the conditions of the sky covered by the roof. Further testing was also carried out on open roof, showing that the efficiency of the thermal shield increased by 52%. This is expected to be because the organic fibers in the thermal shield made from the pineapple skin are able to retain heat and distribute heat more evenly, so that the temperature at the bottom can be reduced. Here is the data presented in the table format for easier understanding.
Number 1. Layered cardboard ceiling with a roof. Treatment 1. Pineapple skin thermal shield ceiling with a roof. Control 2. Layered cardboard ceiling open roof. Treatment 2. Pineapple skin thermal shield ceiling open roof.
To enhance this research, we suggest conducting further tests to evaluate the effectiveness of pineapple peel as thermal protections against solar UV rays using spectrophotometrics methods. Additionally, increase the material strength through combinations with other substances, test its performance in various weather conditions, and explore other applications in packaging and fashions to get greater innovations.
Overall, it can be concluded that the pineapple peels can serve an effective and eco-friendly natural barrier, providing greater resistance to extreme temperature. This sustainable alternative eliminates the need for synthetic materials, making it suitable for application in architecture, fashion, and green product manufacturing. Thank you very much for your attention and support. We are always open to receiving feedback from all parties and hope that this project can be great benefit for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.